I wanted to make this video to kind of reach out to my audience. First of all, thank you guys for watching and commenting on my videos. I really appreciate it, and I've been reading all of your comments. But I wanted to ask you guys for your feedback on how to make the videos better. One thing that I was wondering is if any of you guys are experts or have any knowledge in filming and how to make video quality better. Right now what my setup is I have a Canon EOS Rebel T6 and I'm using the EOS webcam utility, and you can see it works okay. You know, I got a little bit of the blurriness behind me. I've been really trying to figure out how to get my camera settings to work. But the webcam utility, it's not a direct HDMI input, so the quality and the resolution is not as good. It's not as smooth as a normal camera would be. And so I do wonder if any of you guys have recommendations on a different camera that I should potentially get, or any other workarounds to make this a better video quality for you guys. The other thing I wanted to get your guys' feedback on is just the content itself. I think I had mentioned this in a previous video, but I am always very curious to see what kind of content you guys would prefer watching. I think in November, a big focus of mine is going to be working on more guides and practical things. I want to do a lot more learning in terms of medicine and doing some teaching topics, making some chalk talks. These are things that I'm interested in because I think October was basically me trying to figure out how to make more videos more frequently and just get into that habit of making videos. And I think I did a pretty good job of that. But the downside was I spent a lot of time just editing videos, trying to research how to make my videos better. And I feel like I'm kind of falling behind in terms of my actual medical education. I'm not falling behind because obviously I'm still doing very well in my opinion. But I continually want to be studying and getting better. And October was very much dedicated to trying to figure out how YouTube works, and I'm still learning that every day. So I'm trying to seek your guys' opinions on that. What kind of content you think would be good, how to improve the video quality, stuff like that. But I want to get back into doing more medicine teaching topics for sure. So yeah, that's my goals for November. And again, I really would love and appreciate your guys' feedback on what you guys would want, how to make the videos better, if you have any advice about that in terms of video quality. Hopefully I'm going to be pushing out some more videos on guides in November. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. I'm just rambling. I'm just repeating myself. So I'm just going to end the video here. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And love reading your comments. Oh, Fifa, what are you doing? Fifa, you want to say hi to YouTube? Hi. Fifa, hello. She looks good on camera, huh? She's getting old. She's like 9 years old now. All right, that's gonna be that for this video. Thanks. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. Hello.